This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Michelle Denham. Impeccably maintained, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a tandem 3-car garage is awaiting you. This turnkey home offers everything your heart has desired and more. Enjoy maintenance-free living with lawn care, lawn maintenance, and hedge trimming included in your low monthly HOA fee of $85 a month. Stepping into the front door and entering the open foyer with high 10-foot ceilings, new chandelier and tile floors, you'll know that you have found your home. To your right is the first bedroom with French doors. The additional 2 bedrooms are to the left of the front door with the full bathroom. The living room, dining room and kitchen are just beyond the foyer. The open floor plan allows a nice flow between the rooms. The kitchen features the all-wood cabinets, stainless steel appliance, extendable pull-out cabinet doors, upgraded kitchen faucet, breakfast nook area and kitchen counter seating. The newly added screened-in back lanai makes enjoying your morning cup of coffee or evening meals a must. This smart home features programmable thermostat, timed exhaust fans, LED lighting throughout, censored nightlights on wall outlets throughout home, A.O. Smith water heater, plus it is a LENNAR Eco Smart Home. Community amenities include pool, playground, tennis courts and miles of sidewalks. Shopping and restaurants are all within easy walking/biking/golf cart driving distance. The town of Wimauma is snuggled up next to Sun City Center that features Lake Wimauma, HCA Florida South Shore Hospital, and many pet hospitals. Plus the home is only 11 miles from the Bahia Beach. All room sizes are approximate. For more information, review the details below.